Alright, so you saw strip down the frame of the Dakota back there. Now today we start stripping the 49 Chevy, which is in really good shape. The interior on this thing is wicked nice. But you remember me telling you it's not like the others. I can't just go full bore at this truck because all the wiring and everything on this truck is new. We're using it. The gas tank is inside the truck. Got to be careful. It has a 350 with a stick, which means, again, got to be careful. It also has the original brake setup under the cab. Got to be careful. So, we got to be real gentle taking this thing apart. Can't just hack and slash like we normally do because we're keeping most of this. Really, it's just going to be a long process of unhooking wires, pulling fenders, cabs, everything. So we got to do it gentle. Now, on the other side, somebody actually slid like half a bed in his bed, which we think is a great idea. We're going to steal it. So, that idea right there with the full bed, you can lift up and stuff. Like, it's stuck right now, but it's got the front part of the bed actually off of another bed where they cut it out. That's a good idea. We're actually going to try and use that a couple times. But I'm going to get that out. I'm going to pull the hood off, start unhooking wires so we can get the front end off. Then from the front end, we'll get the cab off. Cab, we'll get the running boards. Running boards, get the bed. Once it's all blown apart, we're going to strategically move it around in the garage here, in the shop. So we'll have room to pull in the frame to start mounting the cab to the frame, because we have to mount the frame, or not the frame, the cab and the front end to get our wheel space before we can start making our own motor mounts and trans mounts to fit the 350 in the Dakota frame. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of on and offs on this one, but I'm going to get at it.
recommend, cause you're right.
Trick up my sleeve.